Hi guys, we are at Meraki today, quite literally in the middle of nowhere. We actually are part of the media team. Show them your badge.
Indeed we are.
So we filmed a load of people entering. We were out there for about an hour and a half. We have seen some absolute beauties. But yeah, we are going to be showing you guys around in a minute. We are just sat having a snack.
The next thing I felt you hold me close. What am I gonna do? I let myself down. Nothing left to say.
During the drive, we did end up taking a detour down this absolutely gorgeous road, and the rolling shots on this road would have been absolutely gorgeous.
Strength of skin on every breath and wall, climbing up the walls, banging down the doors, knowing that you hear my scream. But your love's so cruel, you made me wanna go. Your love's so cruel, you made me wanna go.
So as you can see, we are walking towards the bridge. This was so that we could get some cleaner shots of your cars and some cleaner rolling shots. If you guys are interested in any way of grabbing your rolling shots or any pictures that you believe were taken, shoot me a message. My @ will be on the screen now. After taking the arrival shots, we made our way to the main event.
Falling out, didn't think I'd give for love. Every time I hold it back, nothing's lost in my head. I'm trying to find who I am. There's choosers, there's takers, there's begging, heartbreakers. I don't wanna be that way. You will never hear me say, come hold me, console me, when really I'm lonely. Even if I feel this way,
They don't want to see this cross, make me have it on my hand. But other man, you know me vibes can't done. Lyrics come a fire like a bullet from a gun. Big other man from outer England. When me lyrics start fire, what a sound.
Finally, I'd like to say thank you to the Meraki team for making this event possible, and thank you to you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, as I'll be making more car related content.